Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at stockmarketmentor.com, and today is Wednesday, April 29th. I want to look at CRM, SalesForce, but first I want to mention to you, and I'll remind you at the end of this video too, I'm going to be at the Invest Like a Monster conference in San Diego on June 26th and 27th. That's a Friday and a Saturday. It's actually over on Coronado Island, which is kind of cool. I don't know why, but it is. Anyway, so I'll be speaking there on essentially on chart analysis and using it for option setups. So I hope that you're going to attend there, and we will have kind of a get-together, a stock and option market mentor get-together on Friday night before the VIP reception with Pete and John Najarian. So anyway, I hope you will check that out, and you can go over to the optionmonster.com website. If you register before May 1st, and for those of you that are calendar challenged, that means tomorrow, if you register, you get like a 45% discount or so. So anyway, I hope you'll do that. And now let's get on to the charts. SalesForce, there's a rumor, obviously it's kind of a substantial rumor, that they're exploring avenues to field a buyout offer. Somebody's trying to acquire them, and it seems, for the stock to trade like this and close up as high as it is, even higher after hours, there's probably something to it. So the reason I'm pointing this out is, first of all, if you're short this stock, you better be covering, because the acquisition is not going to be lower. If it is, if there is an offer, it ain't going to be at 72. Who would do that? It would be even higher. So the only reason the stock's trading here now is because there's some uncertainty as far as whether they actually are going to be taken out. So this is a pretty risky thing here. But frankly, the reason that I'm talking about this is because I want to tout Stock Market Mentor's alert format. Just a while ago, I don't know, I think it was on the 23rd, now that I think about it. I was covering SalesForce, and I said that, I don't know anything about the buyout. Although I think I actually mentioned that there were some rumors, but that I didn't know anything about it. But even though I didn't know anything about it, I looked at the chart, and the chart looked really solid. And you can check that out on the website. Just go to the free chart video section. And this will help you in your own trading. But I liked the pattern. And so my suggestion was, hey, set an alert at like 66 bucks. And if the stock pulls back to 66 bucks, that's a good pullback buy. That's a good low risk time to buy the stock. Like the last couple times it was here, it bounced. So, you like the pattern. You think it's a nice symmetrical triangle. I don't know, as opposed to a not so nice one. Maybe it's rude or something, but it's a nice symmetrical triangle with support at 66 bucks. So if the stock pulls back, that's when you want to buy the stock. But on the other hand, if the stock breaks out, say above 70 bucks, then this triangle is going to be complete, and you're probably going to get much higher prices. Well, look what happened today. Okay, yesterday, the stock didn't go down to 66 bucks. The low was 66.57. Today, the stock gapped down in the morning. It traded as low as 65.89, triggering that price alert that sent the video out, just that portion of the video that tells you what my thesis is on this stock. From what I can see in the forum and a couple emails I got, some of you guys bought on that low alert when the stock gapped down and then was trading back above. You said, hey, I'm in. This is the low risk entry that Dan was talking about. So I buy with a little tight stop right there, and now I'm looking at a symmetrical triangle that I'm buying at the bottom that may have a decent chance of breaking out. I just don't know when. So that was this morning, right? Then sure enough, the stock pushes up above 70, you get a different price alert, but the same video. So you're looking at that video and you see, wait a minute, Dan's saying that if the stock breaks above 70, and guys, this isn't me being super trader. I just know patterns. I've read all the books multiple times and been doing this for close to 20 years. I know what a symmetrical triangle looks like, and I know what a volatility squeeze looks like. This is not rocket science, trust me. Anyway, so then there are others that bought at 70. Some bought at both. The point is, you can use these price alerts to make money. Not every price alert you're going to make money, because they're not the same as buy alerts. They're analysis alerts, basically. They're analysis alerts to where something happens on a chart that I was looking at a particular price level that says, hey, if this, then look for such and such. Sometimes you're going to get that, you're going to get a price alert and say like, oh, okay, well, yeah, I see why the alert got triggered, but no, that's not what I'm looking at. But every once in a while we get a good one. Here we got two good ones. So I want you to really pay attention to these, members. When you get a price alert, if at all possible, open that alert, listen to the video, watch the video. It'll be super short because it's just on that thing. And you're not going to get this on any other website because it's patented. We're the only guys that can do it without violating our patent. So anyway, what am I expecting from SalesForce going forward? I think it's going even higher. The real interesting thing is that Oracle is seen as being a potential acquirer because, you know, they haven't really, frankly, done anything original in quite a while. And so they're looking to get into that space. And the stock is actually trading up, you know, not a lot, but it's trading up after hours. So you can't really look at this and say, well, if Oracle did acquire SalesForce, and it all determines just whatever the price is going to dictate what happens here. But if the market deems that Oracle's getting a fair value, assuming it does buy it, for SalesForce, you're probably going to see Oracle move higher. It has been consolidating in a fairly tight range for a while. It's coming out of a volatility squeeze, but fair warning. I am long Oracle calls. I don't own that big a position, but I own some Oracle calls, and I have never in the history of my trading career made money on Oracle. I am up 17% on these calls, and I am not selling them yet. So you may choose to fade my trade just because I'm batting 1,000 at losing. On the other hand, I may just close out Oracle tomorrow. I'll let you know in the forum, and then once I say I'm out with the profit, then you can get in and watch Oracle go to 50. Okay, look, that's it for my little tongue-in-cheek video. Again, hopefully I'll see you in San Diego on June 26th, 27th at the Invest Like a Monster conference.